Yeah. So why we need this pratyahara here? I told you in order to understand sutra. What is sutra? Sutra means alpaksharam. Alpaksharam means very few letters will be there. Alpaksharam asandigdham. There will be no doubt in that. Alpaksharam asandigdham saravat vishwato mukham, and it will cover like more than enough. Sutra, talking about sutra. Alpaksharam asandigdham sarvat vishwato mukham. Matlab means sutra is their language to talk, because they want to talk big subject matter, and to bring that subject matter in short form, they made pratyahara. And sutra means what? Rules. They will tell you why this pratyahara, why tya became. So they have their sutra. So they will say iko yanachi. So when they say iko yanachi, what is ik? How will I know? When I remember this, then I will know ik. Yana, achi. So these are sutras. To understand sutra, we need pratyahara. And that is why we learned how to make pratyahara. So these are some examples I have given. Like that, many pratyaharas are there. Like as many sutras, that many pratyahara. So there will be sutra. Sutra. Why I don't remember any sutra? Ha. Stosh Stunash Chuhu. This is sutra. Stosh Stunash Chuhu. Sutra. So what is what is Stu, Stuna? All these things are there. So to understand that, we say pratyahara are important. Like aka savarna dirgha. Aka means what? A, I, U, rul, ru. Savarna dirgha means if a is followed by a, it will become dirgha. Aka dirgha means a and I, when they follow, that time another sutra. But aka savarna dirgha. I, a plus a, e plus e, e. So this is how they will tell us sutra rules through sutras. And to understand sutra, we need this pratyahara. So as sutra comes, we will see different pratyaharas. To understand how to make 4 examples I have given. Now doubt? No, I didn't clear it. You can tell clearly, no problem. Okay. Now, kru dhatu. Very important. Karoti. Why it is important, that also I will tell you. Karoti. Kru karoti means to do. To do. Karoti. Let us make directly one table. We will not see much, but one table we will prepare. Yeah. See, now onwards, at a time 3, we are going to see. If you do like this, one day, one day, it will last for a long time. So, chalo. Directly I am writing here, karoti. We have to by heart this. Sir, how many things? I told you on first day. Sanskrit means by heart only. Karoti. Sir, then it should be karoti, karotah. No. These are irregulars. These are real irregulars. So, kurutah. Karoti, kurutah, kurvanti. Kurvanti. Karoti, kurutah, kurvanti. It is ekavachan, dvivachan, bahuvachan. Today we'll by heart only one. Next class, the next one. Karoshi. Tvam किम करोषि, what are you doing? सह किम करोति, what he does. अहम किम करोमि, what am I doing. करोषि कुरुथः कुरुथ. The good news is some similarity is there. Anti, thah, th. So you can remember that. Kurutha, karomi. See, these forms are made of having added applied sutra, but we are not interested in that. Just by heart, instead of by hearting 20-30 sutras, by heart 9 forms. Easy. This is shortcut for modern students, but the ancient student, they say no, you go through all and come to this conclusion. What is karoti, how it became kuru, how kuru became karoti, that you come, but we don't say that. Like kurvah, kurmah. Okay, एक वचन it is understood. एक वचन करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन् कुरुतः करुतः नहीं कुरुतः कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति. Let me check. These two I will say you by heart because these are irregulars. Kurvanti, kurvanti karmani, they do karma. Kurvanti, te kim kurvanti, all of they, what are they doing? Kim kurvanti, katham kurvanti, how do they do? Bahuvachan, pratham purush. Please, I am not taking your by hearting practice. Have you by hearted or not? You have to be with yourself. Uttam Purusha. You try. I won't say you must you do, but you must try. It will come because this everything is in our blood. Just we have to fan it or we have to manifest it again. This is in our blood only. All this. That is why we have come here to learn. Otherwise, we can watch match, something here, there. Why we are here? That blood is there in our body. Karoti, kurutah, kurvanti. Now, I need not say that. You have to add aham karomi, avam kurvah, vayam kurmah, tvam karoshi, yuvam kuruthah, yuyam kurutha, aham karo, sah karoti, tau kurutah, te kurvanti. So sah tau te, you have to add. But when you by heart, just karoti, kurutah, kurvanti, because this is totally new, totally different also. Karoshi, kurutah, kurutha, karomi, kurvah, kurmah. Bhagwan in 9th chapter he say, yat karoshi yadashnashi, yat juhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam. Yat karoshi, yat means that which you do. Everything you offer it to me. Karoshi. This is good enough. Karoti, kurutah, kurvanti. Who will read? Can Pratik read? Can Pratik read this? He is there. Is he
Yes, sir.
there? Yes. Can you read this? Karoti, kurutah, kurvanti.
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ करोमि कुर्वाः कुर्वः कुर्मः
कुर्मः यद्यत् कर्म करोमि अखिलम तत्तत् ना we say यद्यत् कर्म करोमि अखिलम तत्तत् शिवाराधने करोमि यद्यत् सकलम परस्मै नारायण all India is chanting that करोमि यज्ञम सकलम परस्मै नारायण why that also I will clear. Okay, on first day, very good. Meenakshi ji, your all questions are always enlightening everybody. Huh? Everybody should get question.
What was the question?
Her question is, where is that mahavaha? That mahavaha became.
Okay.
That is the question. So, on first day, I told you there are 10 ganas, like 10 groups of dhatus, like first gan, second, first group, like standard, first standard, second standard, third standard. So this is not from first group, pratham gana, like gachati, hasati, many are from pratham gana only, so far whatever we have seen. But this is from ashtam gana, like 8th class. That is why it is little bit advanced and different. Otherwise, first class, first standard, all are same only. 8th standard, little bit different, variety. That is why kurvaha kurma. It is 8th gana. That is why kurmaha kurvaha kam. That is why karoti kam. If you take any dhatu from 8th gana, this will decline like this. Like tana is dhatu tanoti, tanutaha, tunvanti, like that. But we are not going there. It is 8th gana. Okay. That is why different. Chalo. Okay. So we can make sentences, but not now. Why this is important, that I want to tell you now. Why this is important? 8th gana dhatu, karoti dhatu. Sometimes we use pure dhatu. Pure verb means what? Rakshati. Rakshati is raksha rakshati, pure verb. But sometimes we don't remember. Rakshati is easy because few dhatu we have learned. But when you learn 2000 dhatus, 2000 are there, na? Dhatus, verbs, 2000 verbs. When you learn all, and when you want to speak any dhatu like dhyayati, dhyayati means to do dhyanam. Japati means to do japa. Pujayati means to do puja. But every time while speaking, you don't recollect those dhatus. So what you will do, if you don't remember rakshati, you can say rakshanam karoti. If you don't remember pujayati, pujam karoti. So puja word is easy, rakshan word is easy. So to speak fluently, this kru dhatu is very important. Dhyanam karoti, easy to say. Dhyayati, japam karoti. Bhojanam karoti. Khadati, sometimes you don't remember. So bhojanam karoti. Arjanam karoti. Artharjanam karoti. So sometimes you don't know what is dhatu for to earn.
So dhyanam karoti is the same as dhyayati, is it?
Same. But simplified version. Okay. Like in English also we have, like we use technical words, and for the same we have easy also. Like give, liquidate, like that. Difficult words are also there, and easy also. easy single. That is why this karoti dhatu is important. You can add any dhatu. Snanam karoti instead of snati, you can say snanam karoti. Yajanam karoti instead of juhoti, you say yajanam karoti. So juhoti, how will you remember? Third gan dhatu totally declines in different way. Like that, karoshi, karomi, you can add anything. Chalo. This much. Next point, and then we'll stop. Yes. Just now I told. I told you 8th ganas dhatu, है ना, karoti. In this chapter, 10th ganas dhatus they are coming. Only few we'll see. 4 are there only. Okay, but they are easy to decline. Unlike karoti, just like gachati, it is there, but some changes that I will tell you. So some dhatus we are seeing here. Dhatu plural is dhatavah, like guru, guravah. So dhatu is ukaranta shabda, so I will say dhatavah. Like ramah, ramaha, dhatuhu, dhatavah, means many dhatus. So these are what? All dasham gana. So dasham gana ya 10th gana, we can say dasham gana. Dasham gana dhatu. Gana means a group. Dasham means 10th group, like 10th standard, some dhatus are there. So all these dhatus are there for 10th standard. Chura is the dhatu, and chura becomes chorayati. Chorayati, like to steal. Steal, matlab chori karna. Chura becomes chorayati. It doesn't become churati. Why? Dasham gana rules. What are these rules? When we come to dasham gana, we'll see. Now 4 just we have to remember. Chorayati. Chorayati, like pujayati. Chorayati means to steal. Now how it will decline? Like gachati only. Chorayati, chorayatah, nothing will change. Chorayanti, chorayashi, chorayasi, chorayathah, only last part will change. That is why it is easy to steal. Chorayati, but churati will not happen. Chorayati. Rules are there, but we don't want that. Next is chintayati, like chinta. How will you remember this? Chura chorayati, chinta chintayati. Chintayati means to think. To think or to ponder upon. Okay. To think. Ramah chintayati. Rama, ramaha chintayanti. Rame chintayatah. I am changing subject and verb as well. Chinta chintayati. Sochna, to think. Next is katha kathayati, means to narrate. I think it is katha kathayati. To speak is different. To speak is different, and katha kathayati is different. Why? To katha kathayati means to narrate. Like if you narrating any story, then kathayati you will use. If you are just talking, then you will say vadati, vadami, vadanti, like that. This started now after long time. Kathayati. Kathayati. So 10th gana yati, yati, yati is coming. कथयति. Okay, kathayati. And last, fourth dhatu is bhakshayati. Khadati is different, bhakshati is different. Okay, we all eat bhojan, vegetarian, vegetable. And bhakshaniti means non-veg, I would say. So we don't say आज खाना भक्षण किया, खाना खाया we say. For veg, I would say. कथयति, कथयति. क्या हुआ है? कथयति. And last one is what? भक्षयति. सिंहः मृगं भक्षयति. Simha eats the deer. Simha mrugam bhakshayati. Krishna Arjunam katham kathayati. Krishna Arjunam katham kathayati. Krishna Arjun को कथा कहते हैं, सुनाते हैं. Okay. Kathayati. So 4 we saw: chorayati, chintayati, kathayati, and bhakshayati. Hey Bhagavan, kathayati. So how it will decline? Like gacchati only. Kathayati, kathayatah, kathayanti. And last one is bhaksha. Bhaksha. Bhaksha, bhakshayati. Bhakshayati. To eat only. To eat. Okay.
Can we use bhakshayati like greedily eating? Somebody is eating greedily.
Yes, you can use that.
Okay.
Like some people, they like too much pizza, and when they get pizza, I heard that in America they don't eat this much. You know, so big part. Eating means too much. Bhog, too much. I heard that. I don't know.
When we say in Marathi, na baka baka khato, so that.
Yes, bhakshayati. But in general, bhakshayati like related to animal eating.
Okay.
Like simhaha bhakshayati. It is used in human beings also, but in general that. Okay, most commonly used word in almost in every shloka of Bhagavad Gita. This is cha. Cha means and. Most commonly used. Every shloka, almost it will have that. Almost. Cha. Cha means and. Like if I want to say Rama and Sita. So in English, and comes in between. In Sanskrit, this is just last rule. Ramah Sita cha. That will come at the end. One rule. Ramah Sita cha. Meaning is what? Ram and Sita. But we write at the end. And second way of writing is Ramah cha Sita cha. If you write two chas, doesn't matter. It is and only. But Ramah cha Sita is wrong. This is wrong. Ramah cha Sita is wrong. This is just small rule related to cha. Is given rule number 9. Rule number 8 purposely I have not explained, will explain. So 50% is over. Third chapter sentences you can write down, and karoti shabda you can by heart. In chunks, I am giving you homework so that you can complete. Sentences you can complete. You have 1 week, 4 or 5 days. This is rule cha. Almost every shloka in Bhagavad Gita. Like yesterday, no, fine. Chalo. Here we will stop. I will send you this file. This is 10th Gana, 8th Gana. We had little bit glimpse of that. What is that Gana? And very important is Maheshwari Sutra. So now only as dhatu is remaining and some avyayas and kriya sankhya vachak visheshan. That will cover in next class. Here we will stop. We will have this file with you.
So we have to just write down the sentences of chapter 3.
Yes, chapter 3 sentences. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.